Oh, you bringing the whole cleaning bucket, eh? Like, I thought we were just gonna bring some quick detail to clean it up when we got there. Last night you guys saw us completely destroy the banner on the BRZ. We did our best. We just ruined it a little bit. But we put something on that I was asking you guys about on Instagram, and I want your opinion in the video too. So we have these like 2-foot committee crew stickers, and I usually put these on like the booth when we go to the show. And I always wanted to know what they would look like as like a lower windshield banner, but I never had a car that I could do that to because I wasn't gonna rock double banners. But now that we ruined the top one, I put on the bottom of the BRZ. It's a little bit more subtle. It doesn't draw as much attention. It lets you focus more on the car, I think. I can't decide how I feel about it. Like half of me really likes this and half of me wants a top banner back. So I want to know what you guys think, or at least if some of you guys out there would want to buy something like this, because I could totally sell these on the website. Like, this is something that a lot of people do. Kind of awkward to show it in the garage, but are we a fan of that or no? Today we're going to be doing something to the Civic that you guys have been wanting for a very long time. This is like one of the very first things that you guys commented on saying you want this done to the Civic, and it was one of those things where I didn't want to do it in the budget build because I didn't want to use budget materials to do it. I've just seen people that do it themselves or use like really cheap materials, and it just looks like complete ass. So I didn't want to try and tackle it. We got the opportunity to get it done properly, so today we're gonna get it done properly, finally. You ready to go?
The boys are rolling.
The boys are rolling.
I'll show you where you're going.
Pretty much set up. This space is like kind of a shit show to get us figured out in, but we're here. The way here, seeing these tire letters on the BRZ like literally made me fall back. Like, you know when you have your car and sometimes you fall in and out of love with it? The BRZ was a little iffy, but seeing the tire letters on it on the way here, like just rolling here and not being in it, which I never get the chance to do, but seeing it roll made me just like completely fall in love with it, dude. It's so hot. Now I got my slaves working on cleaning this thing up, and what we're gonna be doing today. So we're at Driven Vancouver. This is the final Driven I think we're gonna be going to. We're actually gonna be getting the Civic tinted at the show. At the last show, I met up with one of the guys from Lumar. They're a tint company, and they wanted to you know, work with us and maybe tint one of the cars. Since the BRZ is already just like completely black, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let them tint the Civic. I'm gonna let them explain to you kind of what we're doing and what tint and everything's going on, because I honestly don't really know. I just told them like, this is your canvas, go for it. So this is fun from the tint studio. He's gonna be working on the Civic today. He's gonna explain to you guys exactly what's going down and what all they're gonna be doing to the car.
So we're gonna put Lumar Stratos on Robbie's car, which is a multi-ceramic film. It has IR absorption on it, so it's maximum heat rejection with some good visibility with it too.
Nice, yeah. The heat rejection's key on this thing too, because we have no AC, right?
Correct.
So driving around in the summer, heat rejection's a big thing, yeah. This thing doesn't have power windows. I was gonna go like super dark like the BRZ, but I don't have power windows, and it's one of those things where if I see a cop, I'd like it to be just a little bit less illegal, because it's not legal to have tint in Vancouver in your front windows at all, but whatever.
So if Robbie does some spirited driving, it's easy for him to see it in shoulder check too.
Yeah, exactly. It's easy to see through. It's not too dark from the inside, so it should be good. I'll show you guys progress as they're working on it throughout the day. They're gonna be starting it a couple hours into the show. They said it probably won't take too long, so hopefully some of you guys get to see this thing before everybody's just monkeying in and out of it. And something that we're doing this time too is Emerson registered the cars. I doubt, what did you register them as?
This thing, interior and exterior, like aesthetics, essentially. That thing, sleeper, engine bay, and
Something else? I think this thing has potential for engine bay.
performance mods.
Performance mods? No, our cars are not like show quality, like really high quality cars. And honestly, the more and more I look at that committed crew thing, the more it grows on me. Like it's kind of just simple and hot. Look at Emerson putting lipstick on a pig.
You'll be amazed what lipstick does.
Lipstick does turn a pig into a princess. So before we get started today, I want to go see Derpy's car. I don't know if you guys have been following him, but he has like, he's fully redone his car. He's got a new wide body kit on it. He's got new paint on it. And his reveal is at the show today. So no one has seen it until today. Shit, dude, that's so hot. Hey, buddy. What's going on?
Good.
How you doing?
Yeah, man.
This thing looks fucking awesome, man. I like it.
So far from perfect, but yeah.
You don't have the big derpy diffuser, man.
Yeah, but they actually have like this other piece you can buy for the side.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was like debating if I want it or not.
Hey buddy, how you doing?
Yeah, good man.
Hi buddy.
Hey man,
How you doing? Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. You made it all out safe?
Yeah.
What is this? Is this where the delegator sits? Damn man, you and Birdie take after each other. Just sitting being lazy as fuck.
Dude, we have 20 more minutes. I need to take my 20-minute coffee break. Explain what that is.
Dude, this is, you guys remember like the very first Wish video? Like the first Wish video we ever did with the BRZ, and we put like the Momo shift knob in it. And then at some point I did a giveaway with it. I don't remember what I did. He just came up to me, what's your name?
Johan.
He just came up to me and he's like, yo, can you sign the shift knob? And it's the friggin' Wish one that we had, dude. That's unreal. That literally is like the funniest shit. Like that made my day, man. I never thought I'd see that again, dude. Committed crew baby.
Good, let's go look at the tint, boy. Look at the job on this thing. Not bad on the 15. I could definitely go with the 15. Definitely a fan of this. Oh baby. Now she needs a paint job.
What do you want me to do?
Sign my face.
You want me and Emerson both to sign your face?
Emerson, Robbie.
Man. He's so serious too. I thought he was joking. He's like, can you sign my face? I was like, I don't think so. He's like, sign my face.
100%.
100% sure.
Oh man. I just signed a big dick on the side of his face. Got him. Dude, it brings the color out, yeah. It brings the color out a lot. I wasn't expecting that. It looks darker than like, I guess inside too though, it's pretty dark, right? When we go outside, it'll probably look a lot better. So we're just standing here looking at the Civ and I was like, yo, the Civ looks really cool, like whatever, thank you very much. And he was like, oh, next we gotta do the protective film on the BRZ. And I was like, oh, I already kind of have one, it's kind of shitty. It's like this, I don't know if you guys can see that line. So it's only like this big on the front end, which is so stupid, like so pointless. Like look at all these rock chips, like all this. You guys never see that in the video, but like it's way too small, man. It doesn't take up enough of that. And I paid for it when I got the car, like originally when I bought the car, I paid for like a film. And that's all I got. I wouldn't classify that as a lie, you know? Like whatever, I got shafted a little bit. I'm just gonna go with it. I already paid for it. I can't do anything about it. And then he was just like, yo, this is garbage. Like, I don't know why you have this. We're gonna hook you up. So I'm gonna let him explain to you what he's doing right now, but he has like a film like this and it's self-healing. So he said when you get a stone chip or you get a scratch in it, it'll heal itself. Whereas this stuff, if you scratch it, nothing happens.
It's a different product, right?
Yeah.
So there's no self-healing technology or coating on it. So we're gonna see all the scratches.
Oh man. Takes a barbecue brush to my car in the middle of the show.
So we're gonna do the same thing here.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay, so you just put a piece of your own film here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna scratch it up.
Okay.
Same scratch. We're gonna scratch again on yours. Okay, so it's not gonna come off. Yeah, same thing. Okay, let's see it.
What?
Okay, let's try it on yours. Yeah. Oh, it's not going nowhere.
What?
Oh, Robbie's car is.
Oh, at first I thought you did it to the.
Dude, that's crazy. No, this is like a thing.
No self-healing.
That's crazy. All you gotta do is put heat on it.
Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace yours and put the good stuff on.
You better replace it.
Yeah.
Take a barbecue thing to it.
Yeah. Let's just pop the hood and then let's.
Yeah, sure. The best part is everybody didn't know I had like film there. Everybody just ran over because they thought you were just fucking paint right up.
I thought you were just fucking.
You're still stock, buddy.
No, there's no turbo. Close to it. Babe, he wants you to scratch it.
Why?
I don't know. He thinks it'll be funny.
Just so that Robbie can shoot it.
Where?
Oh,
I should like not be on it.
Jump on it.
how bad is it?
I went like.
Oh, mess it up, mess it up.
No.
Mess it up, man. Oh, that hurts. Okay, that's good.
Pretty good.
Is this like a lot of heat or are you just putting a little?
No, just a little bit of warm water or warm heat or some UV.
So basically, whenever you wash your car, if the water's warm,
Or just leave it on the sunlight.
or in the sunlight.
There you go.
That's incredible. It'll literally do it in the, like, it'll do it in the sunlight too, just from the heat?
Sunlight UV, yeah. More platinum paint protection film.
So you guys know I love public speaking. We're doing another panel like we did last time in Toronto. I got to sit up on stage with some homies and answer random questions that, it's cool, I just get nervous.
You know what you're gonna say?
I don't want to say anything.
Pushing the scene in this crazy, I think it's called VI, right? Yeah, pushing that here, I give you guys props. My Civic is a piece of shit. It's cool, I like it, it runs now, but it is a piece of shit. And it's parked next to a Ferrari. And no one has looked at the Ferrari today, but everybody is crowding around my car. And that just shows me that, like, there's appreciation for it.
Like that,
You did good.
I hate doing those things, but everybody likes it, so it's cool. And I'm glad you guys got to see it. I'm glad everybody that was here got to like ask us some questions, have some fun. Okay, something that I wanted to say to you guys is like, we get questioned about it all the time when we do panels like this, and it's just one of those things where like I feel like everybody needs to have it told to them at least once. For me to be, wow, that is bright. For me to be here like doing this shit is like unreal to me, because like last year I would have been here as one of you guys, and everybody always thinks that they can't do it or like they're not good enough or whatever, and I just want to like make sure everybody knows that like anybody can get there. Anybody can we hop this thing? Yeah. You guys can all get to anywhere you want to be. Like if I'm here and we're here doing this shit, you guys can do it too, and I think that's very important for everybody to know.
Comes in if you win this thing,
man.
so.
This thing is hot.
Oh, nice and easy.
Dude, look at all the arrow on that thing, man. I want to do that to mine so bad. Oh!
That artwork in car, the lower it goes, right? So, absolutely. Look how low this is.
Oh, man. Every time we're at a show, I'm like, yo, it'd be so sick starting the BRZ in here. I hope this thing is a actual, like, loud-ass cold start. Aw, man. It's like a medium fart.
I know when it's like cold.
If it's cold, it screams. Camera died right when we were leaving the show. We just made it home right now. Emerson said on the way home that the Civic was looking super sick. He's like, this, like having the windows tinted makes the paint pop way better, which I can kind of see. I didn't get to see it from the outside. I just had to sweat to death inside it because I couldn't open the windows. But like, man, honestly, I think it looks good. And it's like just light enough where he said he could see me driving. So like the BRZ, you can't see anything. It's just pitch black. But this thing, he said he could see me driving, which looked kind of cool. And he said from the rear, it just makes it look more complete. Like when you're coming up behind it, it just looks like a more complete car. It doesn't look like a fishbowl. Huge shout out to Lumar for tinting the Civic today. That was very, very cool. Any of you guys that were there and saw it going down like in real time, you guys can agree that it was really cool to have it done at the show. What was even cooler was when he was like, yo, the factory hood film that you got is terrible. I'm gonna replace that for you. And then they took the barbecue brush to it. So this stuff, he said, just let it go in the sun for like 2-3 days. The bubbles should come out. Same with the tint, and like 2-3 days, the bubbles should all be gone. And he clay barred the hood before he put it on. So like, the hood looks like it's got a fresh cut and polish, and then the rest of the car looks like it needs one. In that aspect, thank you, because now I have to clean the rest of my car a lot nicer to match that, but it looks super cool, and I'm really excited to have it. Again, thank you to Lumar for hooking us up today. That was a very cool experience. It's unreal. I'm super excited to have this on the BRZ. A lot of you guys tell me I need to show it more love, and it starts with like simple little things like that. Like, it's not a cool, exciting mod, but it's definitely something that needed to be done. If you guys have not heard, we're gonna be in Seattle on July 13th for Stance Wars. So pull up, say hello, use the code Robbie to save yourself on tickets. Hopefully this thing will be fully wide-bodied by then. I'm gonna have to work very hard to get it done because I have other things going, but this should be done, and hopefully the 240 will be running again. If not, we'll take the BRZ, but it should be really sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out, and stay committed.